step out. Heart sets the pace now. Cells wake up when I move my feet. Blood runs fast to a steady beat. Every scar knows what to do. I'm not broken, I'm breaking through. Whoa. Muscle talks in quiet fire. Tendons learn what they require. Pain is data, not a threat. I adapt and I reset. Slow burn, strong frame. Every step rewrites my name. I'm built to repair, not fall apart. Every motion restarts the heart. They say it's age when strength is gone, but that's a myth. I'm still upgrading. No stress spins me, but I respond. I grow back sharper, leaner, strong. Built to repair. Yeah, that's my part. They sell the lie after 40 slow, but biology says still in flow. Cells don't count the years you fear. They answer load, recovery care. Sweat is proof the system runs. Signals fire when work gets done. Rest and strain in perfect turn. I don't rush, I let it learn. Load it right, give it time. This machine was built to climb. I'm built to repair, not fall apart. Every motion restarts the heart. They say it's age when strength is gone, but that's a myth. I'm still upgrading. No stress bends me, but I respond. I grow back sharper, leaner, strong. Built to repair. Yeah, that's my part. They told me time is a one-way slide, but the body rewrites when you train it right. Load in, rest out, feedback drills, generate your regenerate skills. Tissue listen, nerves comply. Stress is just a coded reply. Not too fast, not too still. Generate your regenerate skills. 40 plus, I'm not decayed. I'm a system that upgrades. Signal clean, intent is real. Generate your regenerate skills. I'm built to repair. I know I'm running every step. Upgrades the load. Time didn't break me, it refined. This body learns its way through time. Built to repair. Walk it out. Still breathing, still online. This system evolves by design.